Thank you for your inquiry regarding an energy monitoring system for Scottish Towers at Maida. Our understanding of your brief is that you are looking to decarbonise Scottish Towers through the addition of PV generation, a central energy centre and a centrally boosted mains water plant. And to support this, you are looking for an energy management system that meets both landlord and tenant needs through real-time energy monitoring for the landlord and an online real-time energy portal for the tenants. METERology is ideally suited to this kind of application and is particularly well suited to large buildings, large estates and multi-tenant buildings. The architecture of the METERology system essentially comprises of three parts. The first is a SQL Server database. This holds the meter configuration data as well as the logged energy consumption. The second is a Windows service which runs in the background and automatically reads energy and utility usage from a wide range of sensors. And the third component is a web application which can either be hosted privately within an organisation or can be cloud hosted, allowing access to a wider user base such as building tenants. This architecture means that METERology can offer a range of functionality that is ideally suited to both landlord and tenant needs. From the landlord's perspective, METERology can monitor key metering points such as energy centre generation, PV generation, and the import and export from the grid. Profiles of annual, monthly or daily energy consumption or generation means that any changes in performance are easily identified. Comparison pages allow for the quick identification and quantification of savings or the impact of energy efficiency initiatives. The analysis pages help to identify areas of significant use or the balance of energy use in different areas. The ability to drill down through these graphs means that any anomalies or areas of specific interest can be found very quickly. All data is logged to the database and is stored in perpetuity, meaning that it is available for later analysis or use, such as for tenant billing. Data can be exported either on demand in a variety of formats such as CSV, Excel or PDF, or automatically exported to external services if required. Individual meters can be read on demand, showing instantaneous values for current, voltage, power and energy, and heat meter data is logged for flow and return temperatures as well as associated flow rates and total energy. Meters are added through an intuitive meter tree interface, and individual sites such as Scottish Towers can comprise different buildings such as Glasgow, Edinburgh or Falkirk Tower, and within that individual flats can be created and these can be associated with their own individual meters. From a tenant's perspective, this means that individual user accounts can be created and they can be associated with only the meters for their flat. Tenancy start and end dates can be configured so that the tenants can only see the data for their tenancy, and a password reset facility means that they can set and reset their own password. This energy portal gives tenants a detailed view of their own energy use and allows them to make informed decisions about their own energy consumption. Our system has evolved over the years, very much in response to client needs and requirements. Some recent examples of this are the development of LoRa wireless metering, which allows Orkney Islands Council to read PV generation from systems installed in council housing without the need to access the premises. We have also worked with Dandara Living on their development in Aberdeen, which is a 300-unit private rental development where we have created a tenant user portal and worked with them in the development of a fair usage reporting tool. We are also currently commissioning a system for Central Quay in Glasgow, which is a 600-unit private rented development that is currently being constructed. METERology does not use its own hardware, choosing instead to integrate with off-the-shelf metering components using industry standard communication protocols, and this allows the selection of the most appropriate solution for any given circumstance. I appreciate that your scheme design is at a very early stage. However, I am confident that METERology can provide a technical energy monitoring solution that satisfies your requirements, both from a landlord and a tenant perspective, as well as being able to provide advice and guidance with regards to the design and the selection of equipment based on our experience in both this sector and other similar sectors. Please feel free to reach out if you would like any more information. Thank you.